Good morning, it's Tuesday the 28th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro got a boost against its major counterparts yesterday after it was revealed that French banks have agreed to roll over Greek debt. ECB member Stark's hawkish comments further supported the single currency. He repeated the phrase strong vigilance and also said that interest rates at 1.25% are not appropriate at this point, signalling a possible rate hike. But the euro remains fragile ahead of the critical Greek Parliament's vote on the new austerity measures due tomorrow. The 5-year austerity plan includes further tax hikes and deep spending cuts agreed by the EU and the IMF, which will secure a second round of financial aid for Greece. Against the dollar, the euro gained 1.6%, falling to 143.29 from 141.02. Against the Swiss franc, the euro reached 119.56 from a record low at 118.02. Investors' eyes turned to a speech by the European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet, expected at 18:45 GMT. The US dollar is weaker against safe haven currencies such as the Swiss franc today, supported by optimism that the new austerity package will be approved by the Greek Parliament. Manufacturing index and consumer confidence in June are expected today, and against the Japanese yen, the dollar rose to 80.72 from 80.97. Sterling remains under pressure as investors' expectations for an interest rate hike start to fade. Recent economic data from the UK disappointed investors who were expecting a tightening of the monetary policy by the end of the year. Instead, the Bank of England policymakers emphasised on their concerns over the UK economic slowdown and said that additional quantitative easing may be needed. Focus turns to the GDP in the first quarter, which is expected to be confirmed at 0.5%. Versus the dollar, sterling hovers near a 5-month low at 159.13 and was last trading at 159.58. Oil prices edged higher at $91.21 a barrel from $89.60. Gold fell to $1,490.60 an ounce from $1,505.19, and silver also ticked lower, edging as low as $33.34 an ounce from $34.14. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 142.35, with a preference to enter into long positions at 142.35. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.65, with a preference to enter into long positions at 80.65. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 104.85, with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.85. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 159.15, with a preference to enter into long positions at 159.15. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9885, with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9885. Let's have a look at the commodities. The oil pivot point is at 88.70, with a preference to enter into long positions at 88.70. The gold pivot point is at 1490, with a preference to enter into long positions at 1490, and the silver pivot point is at 33.20, with a preference to enter into long positions at 33.86. And today's calendar and market movers are the UK gross domestic product in Q1 forecast to gain 0.5%. US manufacturing index in June is forecast to rise to 2, and US consumer confidence in June is forecast to fall to 60.5. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.92% and the Dow was up 0.91%. European bourses were mixed, with the FTSE up 0.43%, the DAX was down 0.19% and the CAC was up 0.31%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.66% and the Hang Seng was down 0.03%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrew from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.